Changing the direction of cut of multi-axis toolpaths shouldn't be complicated. Let's take a look at how version 31 makes this easier using sorting options. Okay, let's take a look at what we're doing here. In this example, we have a fixture plate that's going to be mounted to our fourth axis. We have a couple of knife blanks that will fixture onto this plate. And then we want to come in and put the bevel of the blade onto the blank using the side of our cutter. In this example, we're using one of our surface-based toolpaths. The one we're using is parallel to multiple curves. Now let's get into simulation and take a look at what we have going on. We'll notice that we have our two toolpaths here, and you'll see that it's starting on the left side of the shape, and then it's working its way to the right side of the shape. Okay, starting on the left and working its way to the right. What we want to do is actually start on the right side and work our way to the left for both of our blanks. Let's take a look at how we can accomplish that. Now, if we edit our multi-axis feature and we go to the parameters option, most commonly what you'll use in order to flip the step over is this sorting option right here where it says flip step over. And in many cases that will reverse the direction of the cut. In this particular example, that doesn't work. Okay, so where do we go from here? Well, we're going to go up to our roughing option. Okay, we'll come down to where it says sorting options. We'll click on this button here, and then we'll have the option to reverse the order of. We'll check this on, and we want to reverse the order of our complete toolpath. We'll click OK, and then recompute. And then now when we come in and we backplot this, you'll now notice that it's starting on the right side and working its way to the left side. We'll repeat this process for the other feature, and that's how it's done. We'll go to roughing, sorting options, reverse order of, complete toolpath, and OK. We'll go ahead and run it through the simulation just to verify. And there we go. Changing the direction of your cut with your multi-axis surface-based toolpaths.